Hi, I'm Carrie, an Associate Practitioner here at VIVA Skin Clinics, where today we're delving deep to look at the Obagi Nu-derm System. So how do we use it? As you can see, the products are all numbered to visually make the step system easier to use. Step 1 is the cleanser, the golden ticket to good skincare. The gentle cleanser is designed to eliminate makeup, dirt and grime from skin. Use this twice daily, morning and evening, by massaging a small amount of the cleanser with water onto the skin and then rinsing with lukewarm water. Step 2 is the toner, an essential step in the routine which helps adjust your skin's pH and preps your skin for the rest of the products in the kit. Use this after cleansing, morning and evening, by applying a small amount to the cotton pad and gently wiping over the entire face. Step 3 is the first hydroquinone product in the kit. It's a gentle, effective formula that absorbs to deliver the prescription strength hydroquinone, helping to correct the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Use this daily in the morning and in the evening. And use half a gram, so squeeze a small amount from the last crease on your digit to the very tip. And apply it evenly to the face, avoiding the eyes, corners of the nose and mouth and the lips. Step 4 is a gentle, lightweight skin soothing lotion that exfoliates the top layer of the skin, removing dull, old skin cells and revealing a much brighter complexion. This is applied just once a day in the morning. Again, use half a gram, so squeeze a small amount from the tip of the last crease on your finger to its tip and apply evenly to the entire face, avoiding the eyes. And massage this until it's completely absorbed. Step 5 is the blender cream, the second prescription strength hydroquinone product in the kit. This is to be used with the prescription strength tretinoin, step 7, and only ever used in the evening. You would use half a gram, again from the last crease in your finger to its tip, of each product. Blend them together on the back of your hand before applying evenly to your face, avoiding directly under the eyes. Step 6 is the Obagi Hydrate, a perfect gentle moisturiser for all skin types, from oily to sensitive. This is to be used as needed to soothe areas of dry, flaky skin that can be a consequence of using the system in those first few weeks. The next step would be the sun shield protection. It's imperative to use sun protection every day, but even more so when using the active ingredients such as hydroquinone and tretinoin, as these products leave skincare far more susceptible to the harmful effects of UV rays. Apply this liberally in the morning and then reapply it every few hours. This broad spectrum SPF 50 is absorbed really easily and leaves a lovely matte finish. So these would be the steps to use in the morning routine. For the evening routine, you would use step 1, the cleanser, step 2, the toner, and step 3, the first hydroquinone product, all exactly how you would use in the morning. And from here, you would go straight to step 6 and step 7. The first 6 weeks of using Nu-derm is perhaps the most challenging, as skin goes through a removal phase. As the top layer of the skin is exfoliated, you may experience itching, dryness, redness and flaking, but this is all completely normal. But if you find it's too excessive, just temporarily decrease the use of step 4, the exfoliating lotion, which causes most of the irritation. And don't forget, you can also increase the use of the Hydrate moisturiser if your skin is too irritated. Also bear in mind a couple of the products are used more often, so won't last as long as others in the kit. When this happens, just contact the clinic and we'll arrange replacements to be sent out to you. Thanks for listening.